speak about how to make an omelette. The ingredients needed to how to make an omelette are egg, oil, onion, ginger, black pepper, salt, green chili. At first, onion, ginger and green chili are cut into very small pieces. Then an egg is broken in a bowl and mixed the chopped ingredients. Next, salt is added and mixture is stirred well with a spoon. After this, a frying pan is put on the oven and some oil is poured into it. Thereafter, the mixture is poured into the heated pan and spread. After that, both sides are fried. And rolled. Finally, the omelette is ready to be served with black pepper spread over it. Thank you.